It's so good to have you here. Yes, it is. I need to tell the whole world how badly my husband treats me.
Right. So why did you marry him?
He's always beating me at the slightest mistake. My mom asked me not to marry him, but I was blinded by love. I truly understand, dear.
Yeah.
So what's your next plan? Do you want a divorce? What's your advice to young ladies out there? They should have a skill or degree before getting married. They should also subscribe to your YouTube Big Sister YouTube channel to learn AI skills. For my husband, I'm done.
The video you just watched was created without a camera, without a studio, and even the two people there are not real. They were generated with free AI tools, and you can also do the same. Meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm your YouTube Big Sister, and on this channel, I teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation, how to monetize your AI content, and also YouTube automation. So go ahead to like this video and also subscribe to this channel so as to get notified whenever a new video is dropped. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let us dive in straight into the class. So guys, the first step is to head over to Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest app on your phone and you're a creator, you are not even serious. Please do well to get Pinterest. This is a very good app, please. So when we reach this place, we have to type in podcast studio. Then we have to click on it and allow it to give us our designs. Alright, so here are different designs. We just have to choose one. As you can see, there are different options to choose from. We have plenty of podcast studio aesthetics. You can just choose any one of your choice and modify it. In fact, I think I even like this pink one. Like, I don't even know the one to choose, but we have to go with one. Right? So guys, for the next step, we need to generate our avatar, the people that you want them to be in the podcast. Already, I have my idea and I've given ChatGPT my idea and it has given me my image prompt, the ones I will use to generate my avatar, right? So what I have to do is to copy this particular prompt and head over to Google Gemini or any app of my choice to generate my image. So guys, as you can see, ChatGPT gave me this image. It followed my prompt. Like, she's looking so hot, right? So all we have to do is to long press and save our image. I also generated one with Google Gemini. What do you think between this image and the one generated with ChatGPT? Which one do you think is more alluring? Please leave your comments in the comment section. So to download this particular one, we have to long press to and save, long press and save, and that's it. Let's move over to the next step. So guys, for the next step, we still have to head over to our Google Gemini and we have to import the images and also the image of our podcast, right? So follow me closely. I'll head over to my gallery and import the image I want to use. Let me say this and this. Alright, so I've imported the three images. Actually, I had to change the clothes of our first image so that it will not be showing her cleavage, right? So I'll just put in my prompt. So guys, follow me gently. So here is the prompt I gave ChatGPT. I told it to generate an image of the two beautiful ladies in a podcast studio, using the uploaded images of the two beautiful women as reference and the third image as a reference of a podcast studio. Make sure the ladies are sitting on a couch facing each other. Create this in 16:9 aspect ratio. Do not deviate from this instruction. Remember to put this. Do not deviate from this instruction. This is AI, so you have to be very strict while giving it instruction. And again, I'll paste the link to my Telegram channel in the description box. This is where you can access my prompts. All the prompts I use for this particular video, I will paste it there. So after that, we have to click on this arrow and allow it to generate our image for us. So guys, can you see this? This has been generated. They are now seated, well seated, right? So what we have to do is we have to save this and it will be saved into our device. Then we will now head over to ChatGPT because we're not yet done with ChatGPT. So here is what I told ChatGPT. Give me the image prompts to generate different angles of this podcast section and let us see what ChatGPT would give us. And as you can see, the prompts are what well detailed. So the next step is to copy this particular prompt and go over to Google Gemini also. Google Gemini. So we have to generate these our images, give them different angles, right? So what we have to do is to copy that particular prompt ChatGPT gave us. Then we now have to put it in. Then we have to press this plus sign and bring in our podcast picture, this one. Then we now have to click on this place and allow Google Gemini give us the different angle for it. And so guys, while giving it your instruction or the prompt you got from ChatGPT, don't forget to add maintaining the reference image above, then you paste in your prompt. This is because if you don't put this particular phrase or or if you don't give it this particular instruction, it can change the clothes of your avatar. It can even change the hair or the hairstyle of your avatar. So make sure you give it this instruction, maintaining the reference image above, so that the features and everything will still be the same, right? So what we have to do is that we have to click on this arrow and allow it generate our angle shot for us. So guys, as you can see, we've gotten our angle shots, right? What we have to do is to save them and move over to the next step. We have to tell ChatGPT to give us the dialogue script, like things you want them to say, right? Because we want our images to be talking. It should be a podcast, right? So we have to tell ChatGPT, give me dialogue scripts, or let me say, give me short dialogue scripts for my podcast. Make it relatable. Remember, you have to find a topic that is very interesting. Your podcast should not be what boring, right? Make it relatable and engaging. Then we have to give it to ChatGPT and allow it generate our dialogue script. So guys, having gotten our dialogue script, we have to head over to Google Vids. That's what I'll be using to animate our video or animate our images. Feel free to use any video generator of your choice, be it Flow AI, be it Grok AI, be it Qwen AI, any one of your choice, right? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Google Vids. So here it is. You tap on the first one. Make sure you sign in with your Google account or your email account. And when you do that, you tap on sign into Vids. So this is me signing up with my email. And when you reach here, please pay attention. You tap on this first one, this Veo 3.1. You have the option of create from scratch and animate an image. Make sure you choose animate an image, right? Then you now have to add that image we downloaded from Google Gemini. So we have brought it in. Then we have to go back to ChatGPT, copy our dialogue script and put it here. So here is the prompt. The lady at the left says in Nigerian accent. Make sure you choose the accent. If you want her to speak with British accent, choose it. If you want her to speak in Pidgin, choose it, right? But I said here, the lady at the left says in Nigerian accent, it is so good to have you here. Then the lady at the right says in Nigerian accent too, I need to tell the whole world. I need to tell the whole world how bad my husband treats me, right? So this is our prompt. Then we have to click on generate and allow it generate our video for us.
It's so good to have you here. Yeah. I need to tell the whole world how bad my husband treats me.
So guys, can you see that? Yes. So what we have to do is we have to long press this.
It's so good to have you here.
Long press it and download, and your file will be downloaded into your device. Let us prompt our second video so that we can have a complete podcast video. So we have inputted the prompt for the second step. We have to click on this generate and allow it generate our video.
So why did you marry him? He's always beating at the slightest mistake. My mom told me not to marry him, but I was blinded by love.
So guys, this is our next prompt. I've already given it what I want it to say. So for it to generate, we have to click on generate and allow it generate our video.
I truly understand, dear. Yeah. So what's your next plan? Do you want a divorce? What's your advice to young ladies out there?
So guys, can you see that? I hope you can see this. For those of us that have been complaining that Google Meet doesn't work in their phone, I don't know what else to do. It works in mine, right? If it takes you to your system, fine, use your system to generate it. If it doesn't, then try relogging in. You know, this is AI, so sometimes it misbehaves. So if it's not working in your phone, you have to do something. Maybe try logging in with another email, because it's been working in my phone. I've been using it to generate videos. And if you don't know how to use that, I have made a full tutorial on how to use Google Vids to generate your own video. Go and check out that video and learn. Yes, because that tutorial is well detailed. So this is how you will continue until you've generated your whole video for your podcast. So guys, now that we have animated our pictures, our images, the next step is to edit them. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using CapCut. So I have to assemble all my videos and edit them one after the other. So having imported them, I need to edit them. And please, there was something I mentioned earlier on about watermark. Make sure that watermarks are not showing in your video whenever you edit. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring this thing down. This place that is showing VEO, and this Gemini icon should go down. And once you're done, you just use your hand to bring them like this. You see what I did? Fine. Make sure that the watermark is not showing. This is YouTube. They can flag your content, right? So we do the same for all the clips. Bring this one down and enlarge it. So this is how we do for all our clips. We are going to add text where necessary, add animations where necessary. Just play around with your editing. Remember what I told you, you have to play around with your editing. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll play the final outcome for you guys once I'm done editing. I would have taken you guys through the whole process, but I don't want this tutorial to be very long. It's long already, right? Yeah, so if you have watched up to this extent and you have not liked this video, not subscribed to this channel, my darling, you are making a very big mistake. Do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel, because massive value awaits you. So I'll play the final outcome for you guys right now.
It's so good to have you here. Yes, it is. I need to tell the whole world how badly my husband treats me.
Right. So why did you marry him?
He's always beating me at the slightest mistake. My mom asked me not to marry him, but I was blinded by love. I truly understand, dear.
Yeah.
So what's your next plan? Do you want a divorce? What's your advice to young ladies out there? They should have a skill or degree before getting married. They should also subscribe to your YouTube Big Sister YouTube channel to learn AI skills. For my husband, I'm done.
So guys, can you see that? I lack words to express this. This is so beautiful. So like she said, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe. All right, so you can actually try this out. You can try it out with your phone. You can try it out with your system. This particular Google Vids allows you to generate 8-second videos. Like I said, it is a free AI tool, but it's free to an extent. That it can allow you to generate something like 5 videos a day. And once you have exhausted your credit, to ask you to subscribe to their pro version. Like I said earlier on, if you want to commercialize your AI skills, just get ready to subscribe. So do well to practice all that you have learned, and don't forget that I'm available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Feel free to reach out to me through the email in my description box, and also I'll be dropping the prompt of this particular video in my Telegram community. Do well to join if you haven't joined. The link will be placed in my description box. Do well to join this amazing community so you can access my prompts, and do well to practice because practice makes perfect. So until I come your way next time, stay safe and bye bye.